Okay, we start.
So today, as you can see, today we are going to study homologous series of alcohol. So first of all, we will discuss about what is alcohol and its functional. What is the principal functional group of it? So first of all, what is alcohol? So alcohol is the organic compound which has its functional group is functional group OH and OH and it is differ by CH2 group as it is homologous series, and we can understand it by its homologous series. So it start with CH3OH, and second is CH3. We will add CH2 group, then it will become CH3CH2OH. Then we will again add CH2 group, then it will again become CH3CH2CH2OH, and again plus CH2 group, then it will become CH3CH2CH2OH, again plus CH2, CH3CH2 CH2 and OH. Now we will know their names. So first is this is called, first we will understand its IUPAC name. So its IUPAC name is meth, because it is because there is only one carbon, so the word root is meth, and there is single bond, then ane, and it is OH, then its prefix is OL, all. Suffix is all. Then we will add OL, and some of you will think that why I haven't wrote E. So the reason behind it is that we are adding O. So O is a vowel, and according to IUPAC system, when we can't add E when there is a vowel. So it is vowel, so we can't add E. This is the reason, and its common name, it is IUPAC name. IUPAC name. Now its common name. Its common name is methyl alcohol. Its common name is methyl alcohol.
METHYL.
Okay. Methyl alcohol. And let us come to second member of alcohol group. So its IUPAC name is ethanol, and its common name is ethanoic acid. Ethanol. Ethyl alcohol, I mean.
Good.
Now the third part is the third member of homologous series of alcohol, that is CH3CH2CH2OH. That is, it is called, we call it N-propyl and propanol, and sometime it can be written as CH3CH2CH2OH, not CH2. Here is CH3. Sometime it can be written like this also. So its name, its IUPAC name is isopropanol.
Propane to all.
Propane to all. So some of you will think that why I added here iso and why I add here N. So if the series of carbon is present in the homologous series of alcohol or some other functional group, then we call it N-propanol or something like that. And while if there is in between, if in the homologous series, if the branching is present, then we will call it isopropane 2-ol. Isopropane 2-ol. So, and now it's now we will come here, the fourth member of alcohol. So its name is butanol. And the fifth member of homologous series is pentanol.
In the last one, you need to add the CH2 group because the fourth and fifth are the same. You can count out the carbon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. CH2.
So in the last one, you need to add one more CH2.
Okay.
You missed writing. The CH2
OH.
This container.
So this is all for homologous series of alcohol.
Okay. What are the characters of homologous series?
So homologous series. So now we will discuss the characters of homologous series. So first of all, we will understand it by its definition. So what is homologous series? Homologous series is a series of organic compound in which each member is differ by CH2 group. That you can see that I added CH2 group in each case. So it is differ by CH2 group. Each member is differ by CH2 group. And the second property of homologous series is that it has its own general formula.
Okay.
So homologous series of alcohol has its own general formula, and
Same general formula.
has same general formula as alkane.
Chemical properties.
Chemical properties of homologous series.
Same functional group, so same chemical properties. Physical properties are different because molecular mass different.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is all about the
Homologous series of alcohol.
Okay, thank you very much.